I made this 4.5-minute video. It got over 4 million impressions. So I made another 4-minute video. It worked. It got over 1 million views. And in this video, I will share the big reasons why my videos blew up that honestly, I wish someone told me. I'm Jordan, made over $5 million, hired over 50 people. And let me show you that there's a certain psychology going on when you see a 30-minute video, a 10-minute video, and a 4.5-minute video. Because if you're stepping into a car for a long drive, you might pick the 30-minute video, right? But if you're about to go to sleep, you probably pick the 4-minute video. But most of the times in the day, you pick the short video, right? At least that's what I've seen for my 3-4-minute videos to until 6-7-minute videos. They got a much higher click-through rate. But there's more. If you know the person already and found their previous videos valuable, you're more likely to watch their longer video and to click it in the first place. Now the opposite is also true. If you don't know someone yet, you're less likely to click on my 19-minute video and even less likely to finish watching the 19-minute video. Because whether you have 1,000 subscribers or over 10,000 subs like me, most people don't know you yet. How do I know? Well, because most of your views come from new viewers, not returning viewers. Does it make sense to make shorter videos to get more returning viewers? Why? Because returning viewers almost always have higher click-through rates. Let me say that again. Your returning viewers have higher click-through rates, so you want more of them. On top of that, your returning viewers also have higher average view durations. But disclaimer, that has been true of all my channels. Just check your YouTube studio if that's true for you too. But it's very likely. And on top of that, it's also so much easier to get a 40% average view percentage on a 4-minute video than it is to get the same average view percentage on an 8-minute video. And why does this matter? Can't a video blow up with only 25% average view percentage on an 8-minute video? Well, the honest answer, I don't know. I'm not dating a YouTube employee. I don't have insider knowledge. But based on my own analytics of 20 million plus long form impressions, it's both easier and more fun to make a 4.5-minute video than it is to make an 8-minute one. And those 4-minute videos, for me, they blew up. So my advice, experiment and upload with 4 to 5-minute videos for some time, even just once. Then look at your data and decide. But don't just decide based on the view counts. Just listen closely. Making this video just took me 2 hours, but it got over 1.2 million views. Now, a big reason are my high retention intros, more about that later, but this may raise the question in you, how do I make 40% average view percentage videos every day or effortlessly? Well, comment the word workflow and I will send you how my workflow looks like to get such high average view percentage videos and make them every day effortlessly with examples and even a checklist for yourself and your editor, your video editor, if you have one, to copy. It's free, just like my free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes for free. What is not free though is my method to get those high intros. Like this one where I got over 73% watchings at 30 seconds and average view percentages of 50% because I use a paid tool to find the best intros to make based on data for long form videos. I use the tool every single day. I highly recommend it, even though I hate paying for subscriptions. Just don't film your hooks without some sort of data feedback loop, because you could go from a 45% average view percentage to 25% because of it. That said, if you don't like those subscription software tools, like me, then just grab my free Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools that I use, unsponsored, not affiliated, just free tools that help me grow my business to over 5 million euros in revenue. And all the 50 plus people that I've hired. But videos with 1 million views like mine are nice. Yet if there was one thing that I wish someone told me before I blew up, it is this. I explain why I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner in this video. See you there or in my insightful emails that you receive when you get my free thumbnail pack or Google Sheet with free tools. Because in my emails I write things that you won't find anywhere else. Like how I got this gift from Google. Yeah, you like that, right? Or this one where I changed my face for a Studio Ghibli version in the thumbnail and got a significantly higher click-through rate, as you can see. So read my emails if you like and care about practical YouTube tips. Talk soon.